This is Mickey Maldini with OC Home Restoration. We are located here in Irvine. We're starting a complete bathroom remodel, and we've already gotten the custom vanity that's downstairs in the garage. It's already done, built, ready to go. This way we can provide our clients a quick turnaround, meaning 2 weeks we're in and out done. All this tile is going to be taken down to the studs along with the cement that's in the back. Once that's done, we're going to put in a new dam, new shower drain. We're going to put in a new valve, raise the shower head. We're installing a new window, and we're floating these walls all the way up to the ceiling, along with carrying the tile around this tub that's going to be existing. We're not replacing. Once again, this is a before shot, and we'll come back and revisit this in 2 weeks when we're done, so you guys can see. As you can see, we are here in Irvine. We just finished this bathroom. Let's start over.
That's fine.
I got it for some reason.
That's fine.
Okay. All right, let's do it.
Whenever you're ready.
All right. Here we are in Irvine, California. We just completed this bathroom. As you can see, all the finishes, custom frameless shower door, all new plumbing. Everything has been hot mopped, new custom drain, recessed soap niche with matching sluter that matches all the plumbing fixtures, 1/2-inch glass, frameless. We did the tub surround, all the sluter around here. This is all floated, and obviously the custom vanity that's installed is custom made and finished to the customer's liking in this cobalt blue. And then what we did is we ran the tile around the backsplash and finished it off. We just completed this bathroom about 2 weeks ago. It's all floated, set. You see the drains, how we do the drains in there, recessed soap niche, custom frameless shower doors, vanities, everything complete. We do not sub nothing out. We do all the work in-house.